mesh of the suspension frame. This is the frame. Now we are going to discuss the apparatus of the suspension therapy. This is the rope we can use in the suspension for the hanging the body part. This is the head sling. This one is the pulley. This is dog clip we use for the hanging the body part or suspending the body part. This is called the wooden clat. Wooden clat is used for the adjustment of the rope. This is S hook. We can use for the hanging of the rope. This is the sling, and this is called the ring sling. We can use the smaller part of the body like wrist, foot, etc. Today we are going to learn about the suspension unit. How to make a suspension unit? First take a rope, hold the rope like this. After that, one end of the rope is in a circular manner. After that, you have to make a knot like this. After the knot, what you have to do? You have to bring a S hook and keep it in a this manner like this. After that, another end of the rope, you have to fix it in a one end of the wooden clat. After entering the one end, remove it from the other side like this. And the third part of the wooden clat, make a in like this. And finally, grab it like this. After that, what you have to do? You have to end the dog clip in a rope like this. The last step of the suspension unit is the sling. So this is the single sling. Remove the dog clip and enter into the hooks of the sling. So this is all about the suspension unit. After that, hold the S hook in the suspension frame. This is the adjustable dog clat. You can adjust the height of the suspension unit like this, and you can suspend the body part over the sling. Thank you.